A question that comes up all the time is how can I delete my chats in Microsoft Teams? While you can't delete a chat from the server, you can remove your chat history from your view of Microsoft Teams. So let's walk through a common scenario. I haven't had a conversation with Alex in quite some time, and I want to remove him from my chat history. To do that, I can hover my mouse over Alex's name and click the three dots for more options. From the menu, select Remove Chat History. A floating dialog box will appear asking you to confirm that this is the action you want to take. Please notice that it says that this will affect only you. This means that the other person, in this case Alex, will still see the full chat history. Click Remove to confirm the action. As you can see, it took a brief moment, but now Alex is no longer on my list. But let's take a look at Alex's view. You can see that in his chat history, my name still exists. If Alex clicks on this, he sees every message in the chain. I'm going to switch back to my view of Teams, and the follow-on question that typically comes up is, what happens if I decide I want to have a chat with that person later? From the top of the chat pane, you would go to the New Message button and type that person's name just like you would any other contact. Notice that the chat pane says you are starting a new conversation and all of the chat history from before is gone. When you create a new message, your chat will begin with that message. The other person will still see the full chat history. The last follow-on question that tends to come from this discussion is, why can't I delete the chat history? I don't need it anymore. And this comes up especially when one of the parties has left the organization. There's a lot of different reasons for this, but in general, it comes down to the company or organization gets to decide how much information they retain. And sometimes they're required legally to retain information that the employee is not aware of. The way that the information retention and security is built is that it is handled at a higher admin level.